so today we're going on a little adventure. I can't wait to show you guys what I have in store from a sense of I'm working on my, maybe I shouldn't say working on. I am being very intentional with my actions and what I pour into myself. So this is called the series of self-love, living for me. And today we're about to do something that I've been wanting to do since I was a little girl. And I definitely want to take you guys on that journey with me. So stay tuned. We are approaching the lovely. We're gonna go get this. I'm going back with my guitar. She's back. Oh yeah. I'm so excited. We're gonna definitely do an unboxing together. Cause like, duh. It's only right. Excuse my nail, I just broke it. But yes. We can't wait. Oh my god. Ah. See you later, dudes. But me guitar. Me guitar. Okay, so I am back with my little purchase. So for you guys to see, this is what I purchased. I got a Fender guitar. I'm so freaking excited. Like so excited. See, I need guitar. We're gonna open that together. As well as we have my guitar strap. I found it very country right then, but you know, whatever. You see it? It has a little Fender thing on it. Ow! And then I dropped these. We have all these little cute picks. It's 8 of them. Oh, they're all red. Okay, whatever. And we have these cute picks. So, yes, I'm super excited and can't wait for you guys to see it. friends, I finally got my sharp on, which took absolutely forever. I didn't even take off this little sticker. But you know, we gonna hit them up for the free lessons, cause like, why wouldn't you? But now I am like super stoked about this. Like, nobody has any clue how excited I am. This isn't something I wanted to do since a weekend. Not all my parents have put me in lessons, even though I talked about it. But you know, that's beyond me. I only can control my reality right now. So it's just pretty much a video to inspire anyone to go after their dreams. When I say dreams, dreams could be whatever you define your dream as. A dream isn't always for the public eye. Some of it is behind closed doors. Sometimes you can inspire others to go after what they want. So right now, I know I want someone to have to play the guitar. I've always had an ear for it, ear for different instruments. So now I'm putting it in my own hands. So I'm super excited. I got my little pick, my little strap together. And you know, I'm super excited. And I may share some of my journey with you all, but it's also something I want to keep close and dear to my heart. So we shall see. So yes. I'm so childish.